Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Bubblemaps or BMT token wallet address on Binance. As you know, BMT just got listed on Binance. This is the chart, and if you want to transfer your BMT to Binance, it's very easy. You can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then, as you can see in the overview, there is deposit here. You can click it. Then you can search BMT here, BMT, and you can click it. And now you have to choose the network. You have to make sure you choose the right network. If you want to transfer your BMT to via BNB Smart Chain, you can choose BNB, but it's not available now. You can choose Solana. And this is your wallet address. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.